Hey guys, Hackware Bro is here. So I came to this website and I want to check their services before using this website. So how can I check their demo? I think I have to register myself first, right? So let me check that which type of data they are asking for registration. Username, password, secret question, email address. But I am not comfortable to give my personal email address here. I only want to check their services before availing it. So what can I do for it? Got an idea. I can create a temporary email for this. So without wasting any more time, let's discuss how to create a temporary or disposable email for free. By the way, I want to mention one thing. This website is for practicing your ethical hacking skills. I will talk about later in some other video. So first of all, I want to mention one thing, that you can face many issues while you are surfing internet, just like you want to download something from some website and they are asking your email before downloading that file, or you have to read some article on internet and they are asking your email before showing complete article to you, and there might be some condition that you want to check the service of any website before availing it, then you should use temporary email. Okay, I prefer you to use temporary email because you might get advertisement on your personal email, you might get spams, you might get hacked by social engineering attacks. I will talk about later in other videos about social engineering. Okay, I will also do some practicals to show you how social engineering works. Let me show you from where we can create temporary email for free. temp-mail.org, right? This is the website to create a temporary email for free, and you can get verification emails for in your inbox too. Okay, right? So you can see here, now I can copy this stuff and I can go there and I can fill this form easily, right? You can check by yourself. I just only wanted to mention one thing, that you can copy here from here and you can delete this email whenever you want, and you can change it too, right? You can also use this email in creating your Instagram account, or you can create Facebook account through this email, but this will be deleted after one session, right? So you can keep this session alive by pin this tab or by going into Chrome settings or whatever you want. Now you might be thinking that why I chose this website. There are many websites to create temporary emails, but some required your emails too, right? Some required sign up, means you have to give your email before using temporary emails, right? And some are just like, you can say your email will be public, means just like if I am using that type of temporary email and this is the inbox which is private to me. But in some other website, just like Maillinter, I think so, Maillinter, which in which your inbox will be in public. Okay, I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it